Enhancing your Ram 1500 with a roll bar not only elevates its rugged appearance, but also provides added functionality and protection. Today, we'll explore the top 5 roll bars available, helping you make an informed choice. Starting at number 5, the Go Rhino Sport Bar offers a stylish tubular design with removable mesh side plates, allowing for customization to match your truck's aesthetics. Its universal fit accommodates full-sized pickups, and the textured black powder coat finish ensures durability. However, some users have noted that installation may require slight modifications to fit certain models perfectly. At number 4, the VANGUARD Roll Bar stands out with its robust construction and sleek design. Crafted from high-grade steel, it provides excellent support for auxiliary lights and adds a commanding presence to your truck. The black powder-coated finish enhances its resistance to corrosion. While it's designed for a universal fit, it's advisable to verify compatibility with your specific truck model before purchase. The Universal Truck Bed Bar secures the third spot, boasting adjustable height and width to fit various truck sizes. Equipped with 6 amber auxiliary side marker lamps, it enhances visibility and safety during nighttime driving. Its versatility makes it a practical choice for many, though some users have reported that the installation instructions could be more detailed. Coming in at number 2, the Black Horse Roll Bar impresses with its gladiator-style design, adding a bold statement to your Ram 1500. Made from premium materials, it offers durability and strength, supporting additional lighting setups. The installation process is straightforward, and it integrates well with most bed covers. However, its premium build comes at a higher price point. Finally, our top pick is the Tyger Auto Sport Bar. Constructed from heavy-duty carbon steel and coated for longevity, it perfectly complements the Ram 1500. The easy, bolt-on installation process is a significant advantage, and it provides a sturdy base for mounting auxiliary lights. Users appreciate its combination of style, durability, and value for money, making it a standout choice. Choosing the right roll bar enhances both the look and functionality of your Ram 1500. Consider your specific needs and preferences to select the best option for your truck. If you found this review helpful, please check out the products in the description, like the video, and subscribe to our channel for more content.